You're from where?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. How long you do this one? How are you? I have something for you. Happy New Year, huh? Say thank you. Thank you, huh? Have a good day. Okay.
If you with it, drop it.
Mga kabilog, mga kababayang naniniwalang bilog ang mundo, may pag-asa. Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa inyong lahat, saan man kayo sa mundo. Kumusta ka? Maraming salamat for coming to my channel. English yun ah. Today, isi-share ko sa inyo ang video na nagawa ko tungkol sa Lakad to Save, Lakad to Give. So from December 1 until the end of the month, naglakad tayo to save my transportation allowance at isi-share natin to some of our fellows, kapwa sa mga iilang tao na nakikita kong nangangalakal, nangungulekta ng plastic bottles at nangungulekta ng mga boxes, cartoons para ibenta nila para magkaroon sila ng extra income. Well, sa paglalakad ko ng isang buwan, I lose weight about 3 kilograms. Kaya masaya ako. Tapos sa ginawa ko, na-inspire ako to lakad pa more. Lakad ulit ako this month to save another transportation allowance at ma-share naman natin sa iba pa. Kaya next month may ma-share na naman tayo sa iba nating mga kapwa. Hinihikayat ko po kayo na i-share ang positivity na ito sa inyong mga Facebook account if you like. Always remember na a small act of kindness creates a big smile. Mukhang wala tayong nakikita kasi it's raining, you know. Kalithi lang ba? Pero wala talagang wala akong nakikita pa. Malamig eh. So para baka wala tayong makita ngayon. So other day lang natin gawin. Kasi malilate na rin tayo sa trabaho. Isa kanina. So ayun, sana sa paglalakad natin ngayon is makakakita ulit tayo ng pwede nating bigyan ng This one here?
No, 12.
12.
Yeah.
You came, yeah, 12.
Bahrain work.
Only work here like this? You don't want to apply another job?
No. But only one.
Only this one.
Yeah.
This one, how much this one if you sell?
No sale from company work.
Ah, you work from company.
Yeah.
Then how much they give you salary?
150.
150.
Yeah.
150 BD.
Yeah. 150.
You pay your own house
House company.
company.
Yeah.
But this job is
Food.
for you. But this job is really hard, no? So I give you already. I cannot find someone. I will give you one more, okay? So bigyan natin siya ulit kasi wala tayong maano. I'm looking for someone else, but this one, you eat already?
Okay.
Say thank you to them.
Thank you, sir. Hello.
Okay. Next time, I will give you more, okay?
Okay.
Yala, thank you. Happy New Year to you, ha?
Happy New Year.
Take care, ha?
Welcome.
Yala, bye-bye. Masalamat. So, siya yung nakita ko kanina at na binigyan ko ulit siya ng isa pa because I cannot find someone else. Ayun mga kabilog. Sana hindi ito yung nabigyan ko kahapon. May nakita akong isa dito na nagbabasura. Hello brother, how are you? You okay? Meron tayong isang bibigyan ngayon. So, brother, how long you do this one? You don't know English. So he doesn't know to speak English. So I will give this one. This one for you, brother. Happy New Year, huh? Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, huh? So, this one. Say thank you to them. Thank you. Okay? So, that's for you. Buy your food. Okay? Alhamdulillah, okay? Shukran, brother. Afwan. So, hindi siya marunong mag-English. So, ayun. Parang ang sarap ulit. Parang nawala yung gutom ko. Alam mo yun? So, hindi na natin guluhin ang buhay niya kasi magulo na. Mga kabilog, it's my third day of hunting this basurero at ayun may nakita ako. Hello brother, I have something for you. Huh? This one for you, huh? Thank you very much. Say thank you. Shukran. Okay. Yalla, bye-bye. How long you do this one? You are collecting cans? Can. You sell that one?
Yeah.
How, where do you live? What is your country?
300.
Huh?
300. One
Can-
kilo.
country.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Okay. Say thank you to our friends. Say shukran.
Shukran.
Okay. Shukran, yeah? Bye-bye.
Shukran, Pakistan.
Have a good day. Bring some food, eat some food, huh? Okay. And then sometimes just come here. Maybe I will pass. I will give you huh? Next month. Right?
Okay.
Mashallah.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye. So ayun, hindi pa rin siya masyadong maka salitang English. But you know, you see that he is collecting can. Tapos yun nga pagka nakakaawa, di ba? Kaya naisip ko talagang itipid tong transport natin sa December kasi para maibigay ko sa kanila yung mga nakikita ko. Lalong-lalo na mga kabilog, yung mga alam mo yung tag-init. Pag tag-init dito, makikita mo yung pawis na pawis sila, tapos hinuhukay nila yung basurahan, kuha sila ng plastic, kuha sila ng lata, cans, then they sell it. Actually, before, alam mo, when I was working as a waiter, I was collecting cans also. Tapos binibenta ko yun, iniipon ko sa bahay. Alam mo yung makakabenta ka ng sobrang daming lata, tapos ibibenta mo siya, tapos ang kikitain mo is konti lang, tapos yun, makakabili ka ng extra. So alam mo yun, yung parang madagdagan ba ng konti yung kinikita nila, kahit pang ilang kain lang nila, di ba? Ang sarap sa pakiramdam, you know. At masaya ako, alam mo yun, sa ginagawa ko ngayon. So you know, ang plano ko, dahil mahirap nga maghanap ng mga basurero this time, umuulan, masama ang panahon, naka-4 na sobre na akong bigay. Yung una binigyan natin sa isang tao kasi after 8 hours, 9 hours yata, siya pa rin yung nakita ko, tapos umuulan din yun. So naawa ako, so binigay ko 2 beses, binigyan ko 2 beses. And then yung pangalawa, yung the second day, tapos yung day 3 natin yung ngayon, yung 2 sobre, ibibigay ko na lang yun sa mga salam, ibibigay ko na lang yun sa mga mga cleaner doon sa store na pinagtatrabahuan ko, kasi nakakaawa din sila. 2 cleaner sila lagi sa store namin naglilinis. So ayun, sila na lang bibigyan ko. So see you on that video, and happy New Year. Sana lagi tayong magkakaroon ng ganitong vlog. Next month ulit, kasi hindi naman tayo mayaman. But ulitin ko, hindi natin kailangan maging mayaman para makapag-share ng blessings sa kapwa, diba? Staff lang ako, mga kabilog. Hindi po ako mayaman, wala akong bahay. 10 taon na ako nagtatrabaho abroad. I don't have my own house, and I don't have any properties or ipon na ipon sa pagtatrabaho abroad. But then ang goal namin is, ang gusto lang namin is simple lang yung may makakain kami, nakakatulong kami. Hindi naman natin madadala sa hukay yung yaman na yan. So lumaki naman tayong mahirap, ipinanganak tayong mahirap. Hindi ko napapangaraping yumaman. Importante, mayaman tayo sa pagmamahal. So see you.
Okay.
I have something for you, both of you. Come here. Before you clean, say hi. Hi.
Hi.
They are my friends here at work. I'm giving you something, and then first, how's life? Everything good? Everything okay?
Okay.
Bangladesh, right?
India.
India. So they are Indians. Now, I have gift for you for New Year. I hope
Okay.
this will give you this one for you. So whatever life brings along, just keep walking, keep on working. Okay? I know it's really hard.
Scary.
That's for you. Open that one later.
Later.
Baden. Something, then eat something that one. Okay? Say thank you to my friends.
Well, in the rain going.
No, just say thank you.
Okay.
This one for New Year. Okay?
एक्चुअली न्यू ईयर के लिए तुमको तोहफा है उसकी फ्रेंड की तरफ
thank you so much.
से थैंक यू बोलो
Thank you.
Thank you.
बोला.
Shukran, brother. Thank you. Say
थैंक
hi
यू
to my vlog.
हाय हाउ आर यू
Okay?
Okay.
Yala. Bye-bye. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam. It's a good, ang sarap ng pakiramdam, and it's a good start para sa buong araw na duty mo. So, thank you so much sa inyong lahat, sa mga nagtitiwala, mga nagsusupport sa akin, super chatters natin, members natin, and all of you, thank you so much. Paki-share ito sa mga FB page nyo if you like, then paki-subscribe na rin po sa mga bago. For more videos like this, please sa isusunod na buwan naman ulit tayo gagawa ng ganito kasi hindi tayo mayaman, okay? But at least we give something, diba? Thank you very much.